Most dealer GMs get 6 reports on Monday morning: CRM, DMS, phones, marketing, service, and parts, and no single picture. By the time you have read them all and reconciled the numbers, half the week is gone. You know there are problems. You just can't tell which one to fix first, because disconnected data forces you to spend your time doing math instead of managing the operation. The Daily Intelligence Briefing is an automated, intelligent workflow built by Auto Agentic that fully resolves this bottleneck. Every morning before 7 a.m., your reporting is already finished. This diagram shows how specialized AI agents extract and reconcile data from your CRM, DMS, phones, and service tickets. They identify what moved overnight and diagnose the specific causes. You start your morning with definitive answers delivered straight to your inbox. This dashboard shows what a typical briefing looks like. Yesterday, 112 store visits, 31 test drives, 11 deals closed, and service ran a 19% upsell against a 24% target. It flags the specific operational failures causing drag. Conversion is down 4 points, driven by 2 reps. BDC missed 6 calls between 5 and 7 p.m., 3 of which were high intent. The system then applies the fix. Specific training modules are already queued to the 2 reps driving the conversion drop. A prioritized callback list for those high-intent leads is waiting in your CRM. The briefing translates historical data directly into immediate automated course correction. This daily execution scales into a long-term compounding effect across your entire organization. Every week, daily data drives clear insight. Insight triggers targeted training. That training produces better people, generating sharper data to restart the cycle. The workflow itself runs the improvement loop, driving measurable KPI growth over 12 weeks without requiring a massive restructuring plan. One briefing, every morning, across every department. Auto Agentic builds it as a 90-day pilot on one rooftop. You measure the KPI movement, and once it improves, your intelligence foundation is ready to scale. Book a pilot deployment today at autoagentic.ai.